So I forgot that I had to color my hair, so I'm just using what I have left of this Beijing semi-permanent hair color. It's in the color jet black. I just love jet black. I love me some jet black. And so while that's sitting in my hair, I'm going to be recording my TikTok samples. I don't really like recording my TikTok samples without my nails done, but I need to just get it done so I can move on to whatever I have to do today. I am loving the growth, and it's not even. It's not even because I don't care for it to be even, to be honest, because I wear a lot of half wigs. So at this point, I don't care for it to be even. So look, it was here. Y'all see that? That was here. But I'm going to trim the ends a little bit. Y'all make sure y'all pray over your hair and ask God for discipline and self-control, okay? And the tools that you need for your hair. For me, I noticed that less is more. Less is more to get the job done. So I'm in the process of doing a project pan, as you know, every month. Stay tuned for the project pan. It's probably going to be on my shorts because I don't want the video too long, and my full length project pan video didn't do as well. So I'm not sure if you guys want to see that in full length, but if you do, let me know. I'm going to post the shorts first and then record the long form if you guys want me to, because it's all about you. It's all about Jesus. First of all, it's all about Jesus, and then I want to take your requests too. All right, so look at the growth, y'all. Look at the growth, and it's fuller, y'all. I am just loving my hair. Now we got to get the skin together as well, but the reason why my skin is looking like this is because of stress and hormones. Stress from my job, and just me having limiting beliefs. But the enemy will, ladies, the enemy will try to attack your mind. Don't let him. because you're gonna be left with acne and uncertainty. But that's why we turn to Christ. We turn to Jesus, right? Because he is our he is the one that fill our cup. He is omnipresent, omnipotent. He is the one who's going to give us comfort. He's the one who's going to give us joy. We just have to lean on him. And I noticed when I wasn't relying on him and surrendering, that's when the enemy really started attacking. So I'm like, no more. Because look, that's proof. The enemy don't like us. He's out here to kill, steal, and destroy. Okay? So
I'll go everywhere you
okay, so we have our hair all blown out, and this is how it looks. As you can see, if you check out my very first relax video, you see that this hair is really getting its density, y'all. I am someone who has naturally thick hair, but from the braids, the plaits, and everything, it has thinned out. And so to see the fullness with me just getting it relaxed, I'm loving these results. I'm loving these results. And I didn't put any leave-in conditioner because remember, I'm going to be wearing my natural hair today and tomorrow, so I didn't want any extra product or anything that weighs it down. And when I do my half wig, that's when I add my leave-in conditioner and extra products like my Blue Magic and things like that. So less is more. Less is more, unless you're doing a protective style. If you're doing a protective style, do a leave-in, grease your hair. I'm old school. Grease your hair and seal those ends, and your hair is going to grow. So let's get into this flat ironing so I can finish this look, because I have to do my mom's hair after. She went like big plaits, so I'm tired. But anything for Mama Bear. Okay, so I am a big fan of Conair and Remington iron. This is the 1-inch barrel. This is the Remington Shine Therapy. As I flat iron each section, I'm going to just trim the ends, and this is how I do it. And I'm not trimming, I'm more dusting my ends. See, like I take little pieces, little sections, because I don't care for it to be even and things like that. I just want to take off the itsy bitsy bits. And I do this to see hair growth. As you can see, my ends are not that bad. It's really not that bad. And this is how you're going to see your hair. This is how you're going to see growth. Some of y'all get your ends trimmed way too often. That's why you don't see growth. I'm just going to cut this part. I'm not going to go way up here. I'm just going to cut this little part that's very see-through. Okay, I am finally finished. Everything is cut and trimmed, so we're going to do a length check. So we started up here, y'all. Look where we started. This was the last time, and now I'm gonna split my hair in half, and I'm going to go a little right here. And I'm going to go a little above it. Let me go a little above it. Just a tad bit above it. Okay, so look how much hair we grew, y'all. When I tell you I'm gonna be slim and trim, face is gonna be, skin is gonna be like glass and popping. I just gotta find the right products. I think I found the right products for now. Hair is gonna be long, full, and luscious. Y'all, look at that. Look at that shine. And I only use, for the shine, I only use the Keratin Green Tea Restructurizer, which will always be in my armoire, okay? In my arsenal, shall I say? Well, actually, it is in my armoire, though. But for the shine, all I use is IC Fantasia Heat Protector Strengthening Spray. This is pretty good at affordable price, but I love the Silk Elements. But I'm using this up because you know your girl use up everything before she repurchase things. And I have my Silk Elements already. So let's do a little comb through. Very nice. And it's not bone straight. Let's do a little turnaround. So that is it. I hope you learned a lot in this video, and I hope you learned how to like dust and trim your ends. You don't need any beautician. You don't need any beautician because a lot of these beauticians don't know what they're doing. But if you know a beautician that is trustworthy and they get your hair right, then by all means. It's like I'm starting all over. I'm starting all over, and my hands are healing hands, and your hands are healing hands too. You just have to keep praying on it. Keep praying on it, because we are called to heal. All right. So let's start by healing yourself, healing your hair. Find the products that works for you. Ask the Holy Spirit, lead me to the products that is great for my hair. Me, is moisture. It's all about moisture, especially if you're a relaxed chemical girly. You have to have moisture. So I will suggest Care and Design Essentials. You can purchase at Ulta Beauty, Sally's, JCPenney. They usually have good sales going on, and start with that. But use up the products that you have first if it's okay. But if it's damaging your hair, or if it's drying out your hair, throw it away. I'm here to give y'all results. All right. So with that said, I am Fashion. Peace and love. Remember, I love you, but Jesus love you more. Mwah.